how to control Android phone from a PC or laptop. So if you want to control an Android phone from a PC or laptop, then what you need to do is first, you just need simply open up your browser, make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After opening your browser here, you need to just simply go with your search and search for SCRCPY. Then go with the first link, which is the GitHub section. Now here on the right side, you need to go with the latest updates or the latest release. Now scroll down a bit and go with the assets section. Once you find the assets section, now you just need to simply go and download the zip folder. Click on this and it will start the downloading process. Once it has been downloaded, it will give you this kind of interface. Now you just need to simply go with a new tab and search for SDK platform tools. Open this website, now scroll down and download it. Make sure to download it for your Windows. Scroll down again, go with I have read and agreed to the above terms and conditions and click on download. Once both the files have been downloaded, you need to go back and then open up your file manager. And here you need to go with your downloads folder and you will have these two folders right here. You need to select these two and make sure that you've extracted. Go with extract all. Click on extract. Once you've extracted, you'll get this kind of interface. Now just simply go and double click on it and copy all the files from here. Go back, go with your platform tools and paste them right here. Once you've pasted, it will look like this. Now you just need to simply go back and then connect your phone, your Android phone, to your computer via a USB cable. And make sure that the file transfer option is selected. After that, open the settings in your phone. In your settings, you need to search for the build number and make sure that you have turned on your developer options. After that, you need to just simply go with your settings and then search for USB debugging and make sure that the option is turned on. It might give you a risk or a danger kind of section. You just need to simply go with I'm aware of the possible risk and then just tap on OK. Once you do that, as you can see on the bottom, you'll get this kind of interface. Your device has been connected to your PC. Now remove it and then connect that again. And it will ask you for a USB debugging. You just need to simply go with file transfer. Make sure that your USB debugging option is turned on. Now on your computer, you just need to simply go with the file manager and then go with the platform tools folder. Press shift button. After that, right click the mouse and you will find an option of open in terminal. Or go with open PowerShell window here and this will take you to your Windows PowerShell. After that, type in the command, which is /adb space devices and press enter. And it will give you this kind of interface. You just need to simply go and allow the access. And here you will have a code. You just need to simply go with your mobile device and then tap on OK. And if it shows a number right here, then it means your connection has been successful. Now you just need to simply go back and double click this again. It will run some commands, and if it shows this kind of interface, you just need to simply go with run anyway. And as you can see, that you'll be able to control your Android device. This is my Android device. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.